What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. So Solana is breaking out. We're just going to get straight into the analysis on this one. We're breaking out of an ascending triangle. I just posted it in our Discord here. So you can join the Discord through the Patreon link. It's the price of a coffee, guys. So we're seeing some nice volume here. We've broken out of this ascending triangle. Your target is all the way up here at $1.31. We're hitting a bit of resistance here at the 0.786. So we'll give it a little price target. I have entered a trade here over on Bybit. Make sure you sign up to Bybit through my referral for up to $1,600 in bonuses. If you'd like to learn to trade with leverage, you can check out my full length tutorial. So guys, we had an ascending triangle. We broke out. We also had a cup and handle. You can see here, you had your cup, you had your handle. And we've broken out and we're heading up to that $1.23, which is a 0.786. We're seeing a nice increase in volume here. So your target is up here to $1.31. And then your next price target, if we break this high, is at the 1.272 extension, which is 138. And I'm going to put in the 1.618 because Solana has a tendency to pump. And Solana will pump even when Bitcoin is consolidating or isn't moving much. As you can see here, we are consolidating currently at 49K. And Solana is starting to take off. So I just wanted to make this video quickly to bring it to your attention. Your levels of resistance are $1.23. You have your technical target here at $1.31, and then you have $1.38 and $1.50 for Solana. If we pop over to the 4-hour time frame, we can see here on the 4-hour, we beautifully bounced off the 20 EMA, and we're looking healthy for continuation. We are a bit overextended on the daily here, and we're quite overbought as well on the daily. So a correction will come, but in the meantime, we are breaking out. So those are your targets, guys. And then I'll drop in your level of support is basically your neckline. We could find support here at $1.19, and then you have your neckline. But we're seeing some nice volume here, so let's see if Solana continues to pump up to these price targets. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Hope it brought you some value. If it did, smash that like button. Check out the Discord. You can follow me on social, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.